Hi there, welcome to Debutify. In this quick video, I'll walk you through setting up the product sharing widget, allowing your customers to easily share your products across multiple social platforms and boost your store's reach. All right, let's dive in. Accessing the widget. To access the product sharing widget, open your customized Debutify theme. Go to Template, select the product information, and choose Product Sharing. To enable or disable it, go to Theme Setting. Enter Price Widget and toggle the Product Sharing widget. By enabling this widget on the product page, you can easily copy the product link, and you'll also get multiple sharing options like Facebook, X.com, Pinterest, WhatsApp, LinkedIn, Reddit, and email. And that's it! You've successfully set up the product sharing widget and made it easier for shoppers to spread the word about your products. Thanks for watching, and happy customizing with the Debutify theme.